Hey there, this is Clint Baker from Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. Welcome back. We got something exciting to share with you today. I am recording this after the fact, but yesterday we had an extremely fun day with few hours with a bunch of school kids. We had everybody here from maybe 5 or 6, 7 years old. I think I even saw some babies being carried up to high school age, and then we had adult parents here with them too. But we had them here at the Nitro teaching yard, just teaching them about the basics of honeybees and the importance of them, and getting into a few of the hives and showing them, getting a little hands-on, getting a little dirty. We didn't get to video a lot just because there were so many folks here. It was actually one of the largest ones that we've ever done. We've done about 5 or 6 of these so far this year. Did a couple last year, and we continue to hope to do this more and more and more. And I would encourage each and every one of you that if you have any ability to start teaching younger kids on the importance of honeybees, how to work honeybees, just to be a beekeeper, planting those seeds early on, that goes a long way to continue the future of beekeepers. A lot of it's pictures, still shots, but it's still going to be a lot of fun just to see the look on their face. I can't get over the questions. Some of these kids, man, they must have been studying before they came, because they knew some of the stuff that we were talking about. You know, instead of questions, they would make comments, and you just knew that they had been learning a little bit about this beforehand. But it was a great time. Again, I want to thank them for coming down here and trusting us with them, and this is just a good way to pass along the knowledge that you have to the next generation. So, hey, but I hope you enjoy, and thank you again. Hey, and like and subscribe to our channel, and comment below. Give us some comments. Maybe you had ideas, or maybe you've had some teaching opportunities with kids. Some stories to tell. We feel free to leave that below. We'd love to hear from you. So, all right, here we go. Look like little white grains of rice. Then you can see the pupae and the larvae. They look like little worms.
Whoa! What's this? Is that the honeycomb that's growing on it? Or what is that?
And you can see up here is the honey, and then the paper looking is where the
hey, what's that stuff that looks like foam?
All right.